Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel. We're having a spooky time here. And we're spray painting again. This time we are outside spray painting this little skeleton guy, and he's gonna be gold. He's cool looking. As you can see, we have all of our pool stuff because we have a pool. Can't live in Florida without a pool. Honestly, you can't. And the kids love it. There he is. Just keep spraying him. Okay, now I've got this glitter glue, and I'm going to use this to glitter this guy. So I'm just going to glitter half of him, and just trying to make sure I get the right spots on him with this glitter glue. I'm just doing half of his face, and then I'm going to go down just half on him. So he has some like different features. I'm going to use this glitter glue, and I'm going to put that on part of his body. That's a different color too, by the way. So there are two different glitter glues. And then I'm going to sprinkle even more glitter onto the glitter glue. Now it does take a while for the glitter glue to dry, so I believe I let him dry overnight because otherwise it would still be a little bit gooey or sticky, but I did put more glitter on top of the glue. So this did take a little patience because the glitter glue is, like I said, really thick. So the glitter on him is pretty thick. And there he is. Isn't he cool? Actually, there's one at, what is the name of that store? Home Goods. Yeah, Home Goods has a really big one. I think I bought one there. And he's giant, and he's glittered, and he's got pearls, and he's got a crown. I think I'm going to give this guy a crown. I haven't found the one that I bought for him, but he's going to get one too. He turned out good. I like the way he turned out. He's a pretty cool dude. Okay, we're on to DIY number 2. And I'm in my garage because I think it was raining, and I'm spray painting this guy too. He is going to be gold. So I'm just spraying against these boxes. And then I've got the little, this was a happy birthday crown that was in a little kit for little kiddos that I had that I just kept. And I'm just spray painting that one gold also. And then I'm going to put some glitter on these guys too. I love doing glitter. All right, so this is the glitter glue again. And I'm just taking a spoon and I'm just going to smooth it over. It's actually where it says happy birthday. And then I was going to sprinkle some more glitter on it. And then I usually let these sit overnight, and then I usually spray them with a clear matte or gloss, however you want it, shiny or matte. Doing the same thing to this guy's head. Just using the Mod Podge on this one. And you know, that particular one has the little designs cut in, so you can usually just follow those seams, which makes it pretty easy. And then you're just going to sprinkle more glitter. If you'd like to subscribe, we would love that. You can hit the like and the notification bell, but if you have any comments, you would like to ask us things, something that you might want us to try to make, or just want to say hi to us, that would be great. Okay, there he is. He looks really good, doesn't he? He turned out great. They both did. The crown did, and the little skull did. Okay, now I'm going to glue his little crown onto his head. I'm going to get my little rhinestone gems out and make some eyes. And there he is. He's cute too. Don't forget to spray them, because if you can spray them, the glitter won't come off. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe and make sure you like and comment, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.